So today I am doing a peritoneal tapping. This is a patient of advanced CA esophagus with probable peritoneal mets. So this is the umbilicus, this is the anterior superior iliac spine, this is the line which connects both, and halfway between the two, here, almost here, you have to select this site and put a needle. I have taken an 18 gauge needle and you have to put it in a zigzag way so that there is no fistula. The procedure has to be done after proper consent and proper explanation to the patient, and this can be easily done as an outdoor procedure. बाबा एकटूखानी लागबे हैं, एकटूखानी लागबे, एकटूखानी लंबा लंबा निश्वास लें, लंबा लंबा निश्वास लें और माथा खाते लगा, लंबा लंबा निश्वास, लंबा लंबा निश्वास, लंबा लंबा निश्वास, लंबा लंबा निश्वास, निश्वास ना, निश्वास, लंबा लंबा निश्वास, ऐसा शक्त कर दिया तो हो, ओ बाबा